Hey guys, welcome back to PyTropes. In this video, we are going to discuss about tuples in Python. So, let's get started. Tuple is a data type in Python similar to list, but you cannot change the values inside it. You can create a tuple just by typing a variable name, let's say myTuple is equals to open close round bracket. This is an empty tuple. If I write myTuple, it will give me an empty tuple, as you can see over here. We can create tuple with values as well. Let's say I want to add some values to a tuple. I can say myTuple is equals to 1, 2, 3. Enter. If I type myTuple again, it will give me these values. Similar to lists, we can access these values by using index. Let's say if I want to access 2, I can simply do that by typing myTuple at index 1 and I'll get 2. But I cannot change the values. Let's say if I want to change 2 over here and replace it with 4. If it was a list, I could simply do that myTuple at 1 equals to 4 and press enter. But since it is a tuple, it cannot change the values. As you can see, we have an error, type error, tuple does not support item assignment. We cannot even add values to the tuple. There is no .insert method or .append method. If I try and run this, let's say I type myTuple dot append, and I write some value, let's say 5, and press enter. We got error as well. Tuple object has no attribute append. If I try to insert a value using insert method, let's do this and see what happens. myTuple dot insert. I want to insert at first, so I'll write 0 over here, and I want to insert 10. So I'll press enter and still we got error that tuple has no attribute insert. Similar to list, tuple can also show any type of value. Either it's a string value, integer value, float value, another list or another tuple. It can show any value. Let's try and do this. I'll write myTuple is equals to I'll do something like this. I want 1 and I want list here of let's say float 1.2, 4.8, and a string value, let's say pytroops, and then I want to have okay, I need quotations over here. Okay, then I want to have, let's say, another string over here, let's say subscribe, and press enter and type myTuple again, press enter, and see we got our tuple. Similar to list, we can access these values again. If I want to access the list, I can simply do that. myTuple at index 1, press enter, and you'll get your list. Your list contains 2 float values and a string value. Remember, I said you cannot change the values inside a tuple, but you can change the values inside a list. So if you want to change this value inside a tuple, since it is inside a list, you can do that. It is at index 1, 1. Let's change this 4.8 value to something else, let's say 5.2. We can simply do that by typing myTuple 1, 1 is equals to 5.2. Press enter, type myTuple again, press enter, and see we have 5.2 over here. We can delete a tuple as well. If you want to delete a tuple, it's really simple. We just need to write del and tuple name, which is myTuple in our case, and press enter and type myTuple again just to verify that it does not exist. And yes, name error, name myTuple is not defined because it deleted that object. Remember, I said in the beginning that there are a few ways of creating a tuple. Let's look at some other ways. You can create a tuple like this as well. Let's say myTuple is equals to 1, pytroops, some list, list of string, maybe subscribe comma 2.2 comma 3 and press enter. If I type my tuple, I'll get the tuple. It's not important that we write a open close round bracket every time. We can just simply type the value and type comma after it, and it will be just fine. As you can see over here, we have our integer value, we have a string value, we have a list which contains integer, string and float value as well. Now if you want to have only one value inside a tuple, you can do that by simply typing my tuple is equals to 1 comma, press enter and type my tuple, and then press enter again, and you will see the tuple has only one value. That is how you define a tuple with one value. You need to have a comma at the end to define a tuple with one value. Similarly, if you want a string value, you can do that. You can simply do that by typing my tuple is equals to pytroops and comma over here, and press enter, type my tuple again and press enter, and you will get the tuple with a single value, which is pytroops. Like list, you can also use slicing with tuples. Let's define a new tuple again. Let's say we have this tuple. Okay, let's verify it. My tuple, yes, we have a tuple. Let's say I want these two values. I don't want this one over here. I can simply do that by typing my tuple open close square bracket 1 and colon. It means start from first value or first index actually, and go till end. Colon means go till end, and press enter, and you will get these two values alone. See, it's simple. You can also use negative indexes as well. If I want to get this list out of this tuple, I can simply do that by typing my tuple and use -1 over here, press enter, and I'll get this list. That's all about tuples in Python. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thanks.